In this video, we will discuss the 5 best auto glass cleaners on the market. After watching the video you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Chemical Guys Car Glass Cleaner. Chemical Guys Car Glass Cleaner, the go-to streak-free glass cleaner, gently removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, oil, and grime without leaving any residue, streaks, or fuss, ensuring a truly clean experience. It contains static inhibiting agents that resist dust attracted to surfaces due to rubbing, leaving your glass looking invisible. This ammonia-free formula is safe for any window tint film, unlike cheaper glass cleaners that use harsh and toxic chemicals that stain, bubble, and degrade your tint. Streak-free is mixed without volatile chemicals, harsh cleaners, or caustic ingredients, providing a delicate yet thorough cleansing experience for your expensive tint. Perfect for auto, home, and office use, it works on glass mirrors, screens, lenses, and more, delivering professional-grade results that anyone can achieve. Number 2. Adams Car Glass Cleaner. Adams Megafoam Shampoo creates a huge amount of thick, lubricating suds, designed for your foam gun or foam cannon, providing the maximum amount of suds necessary to clean your vehicle, without the chance of inducing scratches, with 10 times the normal concentration of standard soap formulas for the most chemically advanced foaming capability for your routine washes. Using a blend of advanced cleaners and polymers, it safely removes dirt, pollen, soot, and other contaminants, holding the thickest and sudsiest head of foam during your entire washing experience, while being gentle enough to not dye your trim or plastic components. It's a pH-neutral formula that does not remove wax or sealants, or dry out plastic and rubber. Combine with a foam cannon or foam gun to give your vehicle a thorough wash, without stripping any existing wax, ceramic coating, or paint sealant, leaving existing layers of protection safe using polymer-based chemical technology and an unbeatable shine. State-of-the-art chemical formulations allow you to wash your vehicle in full sunlight, suspend any harmful mineral content in your water, create a slick feel, lubricate all of your paint surfaces as it lifts dirt away, and reduce the chance of ever inducing damage to your clear coat, while rinsing clean without streaks. Number 3. Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. This premium automotive glass cleaner is the most popular item on Amazon under glass care products. The Stoner Invisible Glass is available with a variety of options, including an as grip bottle and packaged with microfiber cloths. You can also purchase multiple 19-ounce cans at one time to save a little bit of money. This product offers a no-drip fine mist spray that sticks to glass and won't run or drip on your dash when you use it. It's formulated to dissolve and remove the thin layer of film that builds up on the interior of your windshields. It's ideal for removing bug splats, smoke haze, bird droppings, salt spray, and road grime, and is safe for indoor and outdoor use. Stoner Invisible Glass is ammonia-free and safe to use on tinted windows. Number 4. Flowgenix Waterless Car Wash Spray. Flowgenix Waterless Car Wash Spray, a breakthrough detailing protection, is a car care kit in a bottle that cleans, shines, and protects your vehicle, with its proprietary formula encapsulating, lubricating, and dissolving dirt particles and grime on contact, providing long-lasting protection against all elements. It's extremely hydrophobic, meaning virtually all water will bead off, eliminating the need for water and avoiding soapy messes. Grand Finale's proprietary and lab-engineered wax ceramic coating formula gives any motorcycle or car, old or new, an instant mirror-like shine and a deeply protective ceramic coating that lasts for up to 6 months, with the instant ceramic coating creating an impenetrable shield that defends rides from scratches, streaks, and damage, being 20x stronger than the leading waxes and sealants on the market. Its pioneering hydrophobic coating nanotechnology instantly binds to any surface, creating a barrier between your motorcycle and the chaotic outside world, extending the life of your vehicle by protecting the exterior and interior with this convenient and powerful cleaning and protective coating that comes with 2 complimentary edgeless premium microfiber towels for safe and effective detailing application and drying. Number 5. Meguiar's Ultimate Glass Cleaner. We've recently had the opportunity to evaluate Meguiar's Ultimate Glass Cleaner and Water Repellent, a new product for 2024, and came away impressed by how well it works. One of the biggest claimed benefits is a hydrophobic layer of protection it leaves behind, and based on our experience, those claims are true. Compared to Meguiar's previous window cleaner we had on our list, this product is much easier to apply, leaving behind no streaks with little effort. Still, when it comes to application, we prefer our top pick. For now, Meguiar's Ultimate Glass Cleaner and Water Repellent is our runner-up pick because it's still a relatively new product, and we haven't spent as much time using it as we have our top recommendation. We'll be sure to re-evaluate in the next 3 months on whether this product can be considered our favorite. All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.